Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make kids special Maggi recipe. It's going to be creamy, it's going to be cheesy, and it's the Maggi Pockets recipe. The kids are going to absolutely devour it. So let's begin with our process. So guys, to make the creamy cheesy Maggi Pockets, let's take a pan and let's add 1.5 teaspoon of oil to it. And once the oil is hot, let's take 1 garlic clove which I have finely chopped and let's add it to the hot oil. And now we are going to cook it till the time the garlic turns a little golden brown in color. And once the garlic is nice and golden brown in color, then let's add half cup of roughly chopped onions and then let's give everything a good mix. We are going to cook the onions till the time they are almost 50% cooked. And then let's add 1/4 cup of roughly chopped capsicum followed by 2 tablespoons of boiled corn, and now let's give everything a good mix. Also guys, to make the cooking process faster, let's add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, or you can add as per your taste. And now we are going to mix and cook till the time the capsicum is also 50 to 60% cooked. We don't need to cook it all the way through. And now that the capsicum is almost 60% cooked, let's remove our vegetables in a bowl. And in the same pan, let's add 1 teaspoon of butter. And once the butter starts melting, then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of maida, which is all-purpose flour, and we are going to mix it and cook it for the next 30 to 40 seconds. After 30 seconds, the maida is nicely cooked. So now let's add 1/4 cup of milk and let's mix it all together. I'm also going to add 1 cube of grated cheese and mix everything together. Once everything is nicely mixed in, then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk again. Guys, if you add the milk all at one time, then you're going to end up with lot of lumps. So that is why do add the milk in installments. And now that everything is nicely mixed in and there are no lumps, then let's add half teaspoon of chili flakes followed by half teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, or you can add as per your taste, but remember that cheese also consists of some salt. And then we are going to add 1 Maggi masala taste maker, because we are going to use only 1 Maggi for this recipe. That's why we are taking only 1 Maggi masala taste maker, which is inside the Maggi packet. And now we are going to give everything a good mix. And once mixed, we are going to add the vegetables and mix till the time the vegetables are nicely coated with the sauce. And now that our creamy cheesy vegetable sauce is ready, then let's take 1 packet of boiled Maggi noodles and let's add it into the pan. And let's give everything a good mix till the time the sauce coats each and every noodle strand. And once everything is nicely coated, then we are going to keep this aside till the time it comes down to room temperature. Guys, maintain the consistency of the sauce so that it is not too watery, because we want it to be nice and thick. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. And here guys, I've taken 1 slice of bread and using a rolling pin, I'm going to roll it and make it as thin as possible. Then I'm going to use any round shaped article. So here I'm using a bowl. You can always use a cookie cutter, and I'm going to make a round circle out of it. And now that we have such circle, we are going to do the same for the rest of the bread. So here I've made 4 round circles, and now it's time for us to make some slurry. So I've taken 2 teaspoons of maida, which is all-purpose flour, followed by 3 teaspoons of water, and I'm going to mix everything in. And see guys, our slurry is also now ready. Now it's time for us to assemble everything. So let's take the round bread slice and let's add that creamy cheesy veggie Maggi masala noodles on top of it. And now we are just simply going to spread it. Remember to keep the edges open so that we can add the slurry to the edges. So here I'm simply using a spoon and adding the slurry to the edges. And then once we have done that, then we are going to take the second slice of round bread and press it down towards the edges, making sure that the edges are nicely sealed. So gently but carefully we are going to press the edges down. And isn't this looking absolutely delicious already? So same way we are going to repeat the same process with the second bread as well. And once all the Maggi pockets are filled in, then let's take a pan and let's add a little bit of butter on top of it. And then we are going to place our Maggi pockets on top of it, and we are going to cook them on a medium heat till the time they turn nice and golden brown in color from all sides. Make sure to apply a little bit of butter on the top as well. And now that our Maggi pockets are looking nice and golden brown in color from both sides, it's time for us to remove them and serve them while they are hot. Do make this recipe, guys. I'm telling you, the kids are going to absolutely going to love this recipe. And guys, do write to me. Let me know what your kids thought about this recipe, how much they liked it. And I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and these are the links, because these are recipes which you don't want to miss. And I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.